If you are looking for a pigmented eyeshadow palette in reasonable price, go for this. This one is Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette from Amazon. This palette has all dark and bright shades and shimmers and glitters. Let's create a look with this palette. And first I'm taking this shade and I'll dab this shade in my outer corner and toward my inner corner. Grab more shade and build a pigmentation what you want and how you want. And here you go. Now I'll blend the edges with the same brush. These brushes are from Amazon. You can find all these products link in my profile. My first shade blending is, now I'm taking this yellow shade. I'm just dabbing this yellow shade in my blended area. Just like this. And now I'll do a back and forth blending. With this petroleum jelly, I'll do cut crease. With this extremely flat brush, I'm just applying Vaseline here. And then I'll clean it with Q-tip. Now I just have cleaned my eyelid with Q-tip. And now I'm applying concealer to make this area neat and clean. And from the same palette, I'm taking this shimmer. And I'll apply this shimmer shade right here. Now from the same palette, I'm taking this lighter shade to highlight my eyebrows and inner corner. You see this? Now don't tell me that this makeup isn't looking good. Now let me complete the rest of my face. Then we will do lower lash makeup. But I'm loving these shades. For my waterline, I'm taking this white eyeliner from NYX. With a small brush, I'm applying same shade at my waterline. Not actually at my waterline. Actually, it's under my waterline. Here you go. I'll blend it with a little bit of yellow shade. My mascara. I'm using this mascara like I actually love it. It's from L'Oreal. It's a telescopic mascara. You can see the band. And I bought these eyelashes from AliExpress. Let me apply. And for eyelash, I'm using this Kiss brand eyelash glue. I just have done my eyelashes. And for the lipstick, I mix 2 or 3 shades and just make this lipstick shade. And here you go with the final look. And I think I did a good job. It looks so beautiful. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to share it. And for online and in-person makeup class, you can contact me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Bye.